Hello, this is How to Be an Established Artist, and this is Garry.Sanipass. I am still working on the water scene, and I'm learning quite a bit about how to draw realism. Not just the tones and the values of the water, but drawing into the piece itself. I'm trying to challenge myself to be a better artist, but also how to actually see things and studying the nature of the subject itself. I'll have to admit that doing this project has not only frustrated me, but made me realize dropped any kind of illusion that I had that I was talented at all. I see that I need a lot of work. If I want to be an established artist, I need to practice more. I need to get to work and really try hard. I'm switching between ink and pencil, and also egg tempera for the highlights in the water. Eventually I will put color into this, but right now I just want to concentrate on the tones and the values and the nature of water itself. On my journey to become an established artist, one of the steps you have to take is to improve on your skills. The way you do that is you go out on a road trip and you look at other art in galleries. Okay, this is obviously a self-portrait. During the time that I recorded this, I didn't bring my mic, so the sound quality was so bad I couldn't put it on. But I'm talking about the artist that we came to see here in Moncton, New Brunswick, at the University of Moncton, and his name is Garry.Sanipass, and his style of art would be more, I would say, outsider art. This is my daughter, Emily, who came with me on this road trip. She is also an artist. She does great animations, and she's a huge Sonic the Hedgehog fan. So we came here to look at, this is her favorite piece. This is what I mean by outsider art. It's basically art that isn't influenced by anyone else. This is just the artist's own techniques that he's basically, or she basically developed. And I really enjoyed this artwork. It was to look at this other style of art that's in a gallery here, and my own. It's all about expression and how subjective art actually is. So I don't know, it really helped me, I guess, opened my mind to art. I still love realism, and I'll probably still I'll be hooked on realism for a while until I try to express myself in other ways. Well, thank you for watching today's episode on how to be an established artist. I try to record daily and I upload daily. Please subscribe and hit the notification button. And I hope that you're learning something. If you want me to talk about different techniques or different things that I'm doing, please let me know in the comments below. And please subscribe. It would mean a great deal to me. Or tell me what I'm doing wrong. Also, I am trying different formats. I'm studying YouTube on how to be a better YouTuber. So any advice you have there, I would greatly appreciate as well. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again tomorrow. Bye.